Here the question, draw the image of shaded triangle after rotation 90-degree clockwise about the point 2, 1. Here triangle is there. First we can mark the center point 2, 1. It is here. The next we can take tracing paper. Okay. Then next draw this triangle on the tracing paper. We can draw like this. Then after that mark the center. Then after that you can use one pencil and here keep your pencil like this. Then after that rotate this tracing paper. Here the question is rotation 90-degree clockwise. 90-degree clockwise means this is clockwise direction, same as clock direction. Then 90-degree we need to rotate this paper. Then we can rotate here. We need to fix this point. Okay, we need to keep pencil here and rotate 90-degree clockwise. Then if you rotate 90-degree clockwise, this part come here. Then it will become 90-degree. Okay, now we can rotate. Then we will get the figure like this. Okay, the previous one. Then after rotation, yes. Now we can draw this triangle on the grid. Yes, is the rotated one about the point 2, 1. Another example, draw the image of the same triangle 90-degree. Here the direction is opposite, anti-clockwise about the point -1, -3. Center changed. First we can mark the center -1, -3. It is here -1, -3. Then use tracing paper. First draw triangle. After that mark the center point. Then use pencil, keep pencil here and rotate the tracing paper 90-degree anti-clockwise. That is opposite to clockwise direction, 90-degree. That means this part, this side, it will come here. Then we can rotate now. Yes, the previous one and this one is the rotated one. Okay, then now we can draw this triangle on the grid. So another example, draw the image of given triangle after rotation 180-degree about the point 1, 1. In 180-degree case, there is no clockwise or anti-clockwise. In both case, if you rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, both case, we will get the same answer. That's why they didn't specify any clockwise or anti-clockwise. First, we can focus the center. What is the center here? 1, 1. First, we can mark the center 1, 1. Then take the tracing paper. Then after that, first draw triangle on the tracing paper and keep pencil here. Then we can rotate 180-degree. That means 180-degree means 290-degree. Then first 90, again one more 90-degree. If you rotate, you will get like this. This is the previous one. And if we rotate 180-degree, then it will come like this. Then draw this triangle on the grid. Is the final triangle. Thank you.